You might wonder why these monkeys chilling around while draining down those energy drinks. Well, in countries like Thailand and Indonesia, monkeys have been trained for centuries to harvest coconuts. The monkeys you saw earlier are taking breaks since they just finished their work. It's an incredible sight to these agile creatures scale tall trees with ease, reaching heights that would make even the bravest human a little dizzy. So, how does it work? These monkeys, typically pig-tailed macaques, are taught by their handlers to twist and pluck the coconuts from the trees. Their nimble fingers and fearless climbing skills make them perfect for the job. They then diligently load the coconuts onto trucks and escort them to their destination. While amazing to witness, it's important to remember there is growing conversation about the ethical implications. What do you think?